Hello, this is Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Buzzing Trends Show. Australian shares closed higher on Tuesday, driven by metals and mining stocks as gold, silver and base metal prices are continuously increasing from past several weeks. However, the S&P ASX 200 opened with a sharp decline, dropping 94.50 points to 6,971.50. That's on the back of overnight dip in Wall Street. Telecom stocks plummeted along with weaker oil prices, weighing on domestic energy stocks. All 11 sectors are trading lower today, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Let's have a look at some trending news now from the domestic and global space. Before I share an interesting update on Elon Musk, let's look at some ASX-listed stocks trending today because of announcements they have made. The share price of Appen was 8.185% up at $12.16 per share at 11 a.m. this morning, Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's as the company made a few announcements related to its organisational structure and financial reporting. The new structure will consist of 4 customer-facing business units, one for global, enterprise, China and government. Global will provide data annotation services and products to major US technology customers. Enterprise will trigger growth outside of global customers by leveraging product suite to serve new customers and AI use cases. China and government will continue to focus on capturing shares in their high growth markets. Appen also shared that its now reporting currency will be changed from Australian dollar to the US dollar. This will facilitate comparison of financial performance between periods. Underlying EBITDA for the year ending 31st of December 2021 is expected to be in the range of 83 to 90 million US dollars. Moving on now, BNK Banking has agreed to enter a non-binding agreement with Goldman Sachs. The initial alliance would be for 5 years, giving Goldman a chance to initiate, fund and securitise housing mortgages in Australia. Goldman Sachs will provide funding and act as an arranger, structuring agent and distributor. BNK will be the originator, servicer and trust manager. This will be for any securitisation program having uncommitted facility limit of $500 million. According to CEO Brett Morgan, the alliance reflects on the scale, uniqueness and value of BNK's residential mortgage lending abilities. Next in the news for today is from the healthcare space. Pro-teomics has secured major analytical services contract with Australia's largest clinical trial contract research organisation called Avance Clinical. Under the deal, Pro-teomics will be performing advanced pharmacokinetic testing of a novel drug for lysosomal storage disorder. They are rare inherited metabolic disorders. This is the Pro-teomics' largest single analytical services contract to date, with a value of $243,000. Now here's the next big news in today's show. Newcrest Mining has announced its new goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050. This goal relates to Newcrest's operational Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions. Though the company will also continue to work across its value chain to reduce Scope 3 emissions. Newcrest recently announced company purpose to create a brighter future for people through safe and responsible mining underpins its commitment to take on the challenge of climate change and reduce its greenhouse gas emissions. Finally now, moving on to the last big news of the day. This is coming in from the world of business. Elon Musk has been superseded as the world's second richest person. On Monday, the Tesla CEO, Elon, lost his position as the second richest person in the world as LVMH chairman Bernard Arnault took the spot. The electric vehicle shares fell 2.2% on Monday, resulting in a significant drop of $25 billion in Musk's personal fortune, which now sits at $159 billion, down from $184 billion on the 9th of May. The loss comes a week after Musk hosted Saturday Night Live, in which he referred to meme-based crypto Dogecoin as a hustle. Dogecoin enthusiasts have been optimistic prior to Musk's appearance on the Legends US comedy show, as their mention of Dogecoin by the SpaceX billionaire had resulted in Dogecoin's value spiking considerably. However, Musk's hustle quip sent its price plummeting 40% from 70 cents to just 44 cents in a spate of a few hours. Before his SNL appearance, Musk had warned on Twitter that it was unwise to invest one's life savings into cryptocurrency. The warning was a departure from his more optimistic position on crypto, especially Dogecoin, which he'd previously conveyed of going to the moon. Musk has also touted himself as the Doge father, leading him to be the unofficial CEO of the satirical digital currency. One of the actual creators of Dogecoin, Australian Jackson Palmer, made a rare post on Twitter labelling Musk a self-absorbed grifter before later deleting the tweet. Days after that, Musk announced on Twitter that Tesla would no longer be accepting Bitcoin as payment for their vehicles, citing the crypto's environmental costs, as Bitcoin notoriously consumes an astronomically large amount of fossil fuels in the mining of its coins. Musk caused a stir again over the weekend when people interpreted a tweet suggesting Tesla may dump all its Bitcoin, which he later clarified, saying the company had not. Bernard Arnault moves to the number 2 spot in the rich list. The 72-year-old's fortune now sits at $162.2 billion. The French entrepreneur's rise in wealth comes on the back of a surge in luxury goods in China. That's all from me for now. Keep watching Kalkine TV as we bring you the latest news, trending market updates live from Sydney. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.